AstroAI 100 PSI portable air compressor maximizes your tire's ability while saving you money. Its simple and lightweight design means it travels anywhere you do. Just stow it in your vehicle's trunk, garage, toolbox, or anywhere you might need it. Set it and forget it means that after setting your desired pressure, the compressor will inflate up to your preset level and automatically turn off. This compressor fills tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles with ease. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. We're also throwing in a clip-on chuck to make inflating your tires even easier. Included accessories make it simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
The AstroAI electric portable air compressor is an all-in-one tool for your inflation needs. Use this portable air compressor at home or on the go with a variety of detachable nozzles for a wide range of applications. Enhance the performance of your car and bicycle tires, or keep the fun going on the court and in the pool. To inflate, plug in the DC power cord, set your desired pressure, and power on the air compressor. It's conveniently designed to automatically shut off when your desired pressure is reached. Attach the quick connector firmly to the valve stem and flip the small lever to lock in place. When you're finished, the power cords and hose easily stow in convenient storage compartments. Press the unit button to change readings between PSI, bar, and KPA. Never worry about a flat tire in the dark. A built-in LED provides the light you need to get you back on the road. Its compact and portable design is perfect for storage anywhere you go. The AstroAI electric portable air compressor keeps you pumped for all of life's adventures.